Today, I'll show you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. Before you start, it's important to know that Google Ads usually lets you remove a campaign, but the campaign history may still remain in your account for reporting and billing records. If you only want to stop spending money, you can pause the campaign instead of removing it. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left side menu, click Campaigns. Now, open the Campaign section again if needed, so you can see your full campaign list. Find the campaign you want to delete. Before removing it, check the campaign name, status, budget, and performance to make sure you are selecting the correct one. Now click the checkbox next to the campaign. At the top of the table, look for the Edit option. Click Edit. From the drop-down menu, choose Remove. Google Ads may ask you to confirm the action. Review the confirmation message carefully. If you are sure you want to delete the campaign, confirm the removal. The campaign status should now change to Removed. This means the campaign will no longer run and it will not spend any more money. If you only want to stop the campaign temporarily, choose Pause instead of Remove. Pausing is better when you may want to use the same campaign again later. To view removed campaigns, adjust your campaign status filter and include removed campaigns in the table. This can help you review old campaign data later. And that's it. You've successfully deleted or removed a campaign on Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.